Hello everyone, welcome to Next Round Coding. Today we're going to solve LeetCode 4026 maximum gap between stations. This is the third problem asked in the weekly contest 515. So let's understand the problem, then we come up to the solution. So the problem states that we were given two character strings, one is skill, one is station. We need to assign each character in skill to the station such that our skill of I is equal to our station of j. And it is always possible this assignment. And after this assignment, we need to return the maximum gap between two consecutive assignments. For example, this ABC we can assign in the station like A with this A. Now we can assign B over here. Then we can assign C over here. If we assign like this, then the maximum gap will be here is 1, 2, 3. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. For this, the answer will be 4. We can assign like that as well. A, B, and then C at the last. Then the gap will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The maximum will be 6 over here, right? Another possibility is this A. Now assign B over here, then C at the end. Then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This will be 8. So there are many possibilities over here, but we need to return the maximum gap of two consecutive assignment, right? So we will choose this assignment over here, which gives us the 8 as our maximum gap. So we need to return this 8. Okay, I hope the problem is clear to you. Now let's understand the approach. So as you know, we need to maximize the gap between two stations, right? So we first of all put our first skilled person to the leftmost position, right? And then the next one to the rightmost position, which is possible. And we try to do it for every index so that the maximum gap will be maximized, right? So let's create two arrays. One is left and one is right. Both of same size of the skill size. For this case, it is 3. Now assign the station from left. Okay, so for A, we find the first A over here. This is the first one, so it will be the index 0, right? Number the index 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Great. Now find B. B over here is 3. So 3 over here. Now C. The first C we can find over here is 7. Right? So left array computation is complete. Now let's build our right array. So we will try to assign our skill to the station from right. So let's go from back here. So from first we will find the C from the back. So C is at 9. Now try to find B from the back. The first B over here from the back, it is at 8. Now find A from the back. So the first A from the back we have found it is 1. So left array and right array computation is complete. Now we need to assign it such way the gap is maximized, right? So we just find out the maximum gap of right of I plus 1 minus left of I. If we get the maximum value of this, then we will get our answer. So for this case, 8 minus 0, it will be 8, right? For next I, it is 9. 9 minus 3, it would be 6. And we are left over it. So what will be the maximum of 8 and 6? Is 8. So 8 would be our answer. And you know, for this case, 8 is our answer. So this way we can do it. So I hope the approach is clear to you. Now let's code it up. So we have n is skill dot size. We have m, which is station dot size. Now let's create two array of size n and right of size n. Now put a pointer over here, which is at a j. First of all, start in 0. For int I equal to 1, I equal to 0, I less than equal to m, and I plus plus. While our skill of j is not equal to station of I. Just do it like this way. Goes to n, it will be our I, it will be our j. So this way, if we don't find the same character, we just do j plus plus, and if we're able to find it, then our left of I is j and I and j plus plus, right? Now do the same for right, and for this case j would be minus 1. For we start from back, I equal to in minus 1, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. While skill of I is not equals to station of j, we just do our j plus j minus minus, and if we able to find the same character, then we do our right of I equal to j and j minus minus. Now the left and right array computation is complete. Now let's create our answer, which is initially assigned as 0. Now for int I equal to 1, I less than, or just do it 0, I less than minus 1, I plus plus. ns would be max of ns comma rij to right plus 1 minus left of I, and at the end return our answer. We are reinitializing the j, so it will be j equal to minus 1. Now let's try it up. It is running fine. Now submit it. Yeah, it is accepted. So the time complexity of this approach, the big O of n plus m, and the space complexity of this approach is big O of n, as you are using two arrays left and right of size n. So I hope the solution is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can comment me out, and please do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.